Okay, shall we get started? Good morning, everyone. I'm so thrilled to welcome you all to our workshop on open source post-quantum cryptography library and implementations. And my name is Aysajan Abidin. I'm a research expert at the COSIC Leuven. I do research on cryptographic protocols for privacy-preserving applications. So I'm really excited to see so many participants from all sectors. We have participants from academia, practitioners from industry, and finance, various sectors, all coming together with, I hope, a shared interest, right? To understand better post-quantum cryptography and learn from each other, most important. So as you all know, we're at the critical moment in the development of new cryptographic algorithms or standards. And this is precisely because of the looming threat of quantum computers. And in this process, this is where open source library is really important and invaluable, not just for research, but also in the real world application of the cryptographic algorithms. So with that said, the goal of the workshop is to explore existing open source post-quantum cryptographic libraries and foster collaboration among all of you, and also learn from each other, so that we can raise awareness and continue to contribute in the further development of the standards and algorithms, and most important, to the transition to post-quantum cryptography. So this workshop is organized by COSIC Leuven, as you all know, and we're part of a project called PQCSA. It's a coordinated support action focusing on three key objectives. I'll come to that. So there are 5 partners in the project, and the coordinator is University of Eindhoven, especially Professor Tanja Lange is the coordinator, and from Belgium we are the only partners, and we have Trinity College in London, in Dublin, and crypto experts in France, and Bundesdruckerei, the technology group in Germany. So the 3 key activities of this project is on the coordinated support action is primarily on standardization activities within Europe and international standardization activities, and road mapping, and also training by means of schools and training programs. And so last year we had a summer school on post-quantum cryptography and 2 workshops, one on road mapping for a specific sector. There will be more in the coming months and this year and next year. So today we have really amazing speakers, and they will all cover very important aspects of post-quantum cryptography, open source libraries, and lessons learned. So the agenda is, we'll start with Professor Bart Pernille, who will give an overview of the quantum threat and the key algorithms and the standards and the challenges in their real-world deployment. And this will set the tone for today's workshop. Then we'll have a little more than a 1-hour lunch break, and then we'll have a very short last-minute addition to the program, which is a talk by Rune Quange, who will talk about this open high TLS library. And then we'll have Hanno Becker from Amazon talking about MLDSA, ML native, formally verified open source implementations of these algorithms. Then we'll have Simon Josefsson from Sweden, who will talk about SSH and PQC. And finally, we'll have a talk by Dr. Amos Preber, who will share his experiences, lessons learned from integrating post-quantum cryptography in the Botan cryptographic libraries. So without further ado, I'd like to hand over the floor to Professor Bart Pernille. And as you all know, he doesn't need introduction. He's the director of COSIC, and you know him. I'm pretty sure most of you have seen him give talk in important conferences and events.